Welcome back, everybody. A shout out to my buddy Cooking with the Schmidt. He captured the chicken street taco action in Harborcreek, Pennsylvania. Could have been a disastrous day. Thunderstorms, rain, lightning. Did I mention rain? Did I mention rain? Did I mention rain? Oh my goodness, but we had a blast. We had an amazing crowd. Here it is.
Thanks for coming out today. I know the weather is absolutely terrible. Woo! Cece! Hey! Hi! Steven, tell them where you drove from. How many hours?
7.
7 hours. We have people here today from like 5 different states and 2 countries already. So we have Canada.
3.
We have 3 countries? Mexico, Canada, United States. We have Virginia. Who's from Virginia? Raise your hand. Virginia. Who's from West Virginia? Who's from Buffalo, New York? Who's from Canada? Yeah. Who drove all the way from the other side of Pennsylvania? Somebody in Chambersburg, Allentown, Chambersburg. Who's Williamsport? Williamsport over there. So man, we're having a good time today. Yes, from the west side. And who came from only 2 miles away? Give it up. So boy, we're sure excited everyone's here today. My name's Todd. I've been cooking on a Blackstone Griddle for over 10 years now. Some would say as luck would have it, but as God ordained it, way before I knew what was going on, I was the first person that used a Blackstone Griddle on the internet like 10.5 years ago. Now we're the hottest selling brands in branded outdoor cooking. You've got to make sure you get your picture on the griddle thrown over there. We have face painting going on. We got a bunch of different photo opportunities. If I didn't meet you already, definitely want to meet you. So who likes tacos? And as today would tell you, I never cook them on Tuesday. So for some reason, you see these people on social media, right? Taco Tuesday. For me, it's always Saturday or Sunday. So we're taking some shortcuts here today. Tyson grilled and ready chicken. It's just easy. So we're going to do 10, 12 pounds of the grilled and ready chicken. If I was at home, you could obviously do fresh chicken breast, fresh chicken thighs, whatever. So chicken street tacos. You like tacos, Raul? Yes, everyone, say hi to Raul. Raul's my main man, and he's been on the road with me from coast to coast now. This is our 2nd year. He's amazing. He's from Mexico by way of San Antonio, and he travels all over the country for us, and also for a lot of other brands as well, helping to set this stuff up. So he was here with for 6 hours with me last night. He was here, what, 5 a.m.?
Yes.
5 a.m. today. On how many hours sleep?
3.
3 hours sleep. So you might need a coffee. All right, so we're starting out. We've got avocado oil and a bunch of chicken here. We're going to cook this down. We're going to shred it up and proceed to make tacos. Always a fun thing to start out with. And I do even have a taco playlist, so don't forget. If I forget to cue it up later, we'll get the taco. You remember it. All your favorite taco songs. Brenda, what's your favorite taco song? You got one? No?
We'll remember between them tacos.
Hey, Mike, do you have a favorite taco song?
Diablo.
Gobbler?
Do I?
Oh, I don't know that one.
We'll go with Diablo.
Yes. All right, so here we go. Time to cook up some chicken. We're going to use Blackstone's tequila lime seasoning today. Great option if you're cooking anything Tex-Mex, cumin, red chili, and a hint of lime. But it tastes pretty darn good. I probably have some of these to give away. Who wants some free seasoning? Come on. As you can see, I very carefully measure these. It's like 3.725 tablespoons. All right, let me grab some samples. From Canada, you got to get a griddle caddy. I mean, you drove from another country to be here. So if you want to, you can go watch it over there. Look at that. Last year we had a big mirror, and this year we have a TV. Next is going to be Jumbotron. Yeah, we'll be doing this in arenas. All right, I'm just cooking this down. We're going to shred it up a little bit so it works out good for tacos. Woo! You excited, Raul?
Yes, sir.
Yes!
Yes.
I'm going to grab an extra one. We have a lot of hungry-looking folks here today. So a lot of people here that I've known over the years, a lot of old neighbors, a lot of family here. We'll introduce some people later. We won't embarrass anybody. So if you see me hugging people and crying, and just because I got a lot of friends and family here, so. So very exciting. I haven't been back to Pennsylvania since last year. You would make it out here. I was born and raised just south of here, and this used to kind of be my old stomping grounds back in the day. I moved to Colorado back in 1998. Woo! Weekends. Oh, you must be a Bills fan. No? Philadelphia Eagles.
No!
Baltimore.
No!
Cowboys.
No!
You hate sports.
Vegas!
Oh, Vegas. You're probably the only Vegas fan here.
Oh, well! Raider Nation!
Whoa! I remember growing up as a Steelers fan, my dad taught me, he's like, there's two things you need to know. The Raiders and the Cowboys are cheaters. That's what he taught me. Who has the CJ shirt over there? The walk of shame, right? Doing the walk of shame. Bring it, bring it. A couple years ago, I was getting ready to make tacos, and I have to confess, I was really embarrassed that I had dry tacos, and I was in a Walmart, go figure, one day. Every day of my life, I'm in a Walmart. So if you're ever just looking for me, Walmart. And I was looking on the shelf, and I saw these cans of enchilada sauce, and I was like, I wonder, I had a moment of genius, which doesn't happen very often. I thought, I wonder if I forgot that it said enchilada sauce, and what if I just pretended that it said taco? And it changed my life, Gene. It did. It changed my life. I've made thousands of these. Enchilada sauce for tacos.
Right?
Yeah. You could probably use taco sauce for enchiladas. It's insane. Growing up as a kid here in Southern New York County, I didn't even know what a taco was. Like, we never had tacos. I still remember when the Taco Bell came in the area. I was like 16, and I was like, what is this? Taco. You know, I grew up, I was raised on goulash and lasagna and halushki and yes, pigs in the blanket, pierogies. Give it up for pierogies. Come on. Hey, yeah! And Mike's here as well. Okay, folks, we got some crazy, weird connections going on here today. And I'll tell you some I won't. But, is Mike here? Where's Mike? So everyone say hi to Mike. So Mike pretty much organizes, he works for a company, he has a company that they do brand ambassadorships. So I work for Blackstone, Raul works for a company called Aventus that manages our tour, but Charles and all the brand ambassadors that are here today, they work for another company. And so there's this dude named Mike that helps organize all that, right? He's like, you know, if we need like 4 additional helpers in San Diego, he gets it all organized and sends them out there. So we're here today, and lo and behold, his sister is married to my cousin. and I'm my own grandfather, apparently. Yeah, welcome to Erie County. Oh my. All right, so we've got chicken, we've got enchilada sauce over here just simmering away. Did you ever listen to Mike and the Mechanics back in the day? Remember them?
Oh, yeah.
But I used to like
I was a mechanic, too.
Were you an airline mechanic?
Yeah.
I knew it. That's why you're so technical. All the details. All right, folks, so we're going to put the chicken into the enchilada sauce. We'll stir it up. Then we'll proceed to tortilla fun. Oh, I reminded myself, we'll get the taco playlist going for you as well. And the cool thing about them is they also serve as the world's first ever edible frisbee. Edible frisbee. You ready for this?
Chris, get it?
Yeah. Edible frisbee coming over there to Buffalo and Tanner's dad, whose name escapes me. Oh! We've never had 2 in a row. Right here. You ready for this? Edible frisbee. That was not good. Okay, I see him in the back. He looks like he used to be a baseball outfielder back in the 80s. All right, here we go. Woo! All right, one more so we can salvage this, and then we'll move on to the next bit. I'm truly embarrassed to be from Erie County. All right, hold on. Forget it. You know I haven't really made it big time because I don't have a DJ yet. I'm doing my own music.
It's
That's what I'm talking about. Right there, so we can realize. He was willing to drive all the way to another country. Shell, meat, lettuce, cheese. Good looking tortillas today, bud. Look at those.